Assalamu alaikum. This video is related to functional equations. The functional equations are the equation in which the function is basically unknown rather than the simple variable. In this video, I am going to solve this functional equation. Need to find f of x. First of all, consider this equation. Now I'm going to write this equation in the following way. X cubed can be written as x power 1 by 2 whole power 6. Next term we have x square, and I can write in it as 1 x power 1 by 2 whole power 4. And the third term I'm going to arrange the term in the following way, that we have x power 1 by 2 whole power 2. If we simplify these terms, we get the previous result. Substitute x for x power 1 by 2 on both sides. In the above equation, we get f of x power 6 minus 4x power 4 plus 6x square minus 3. So finally we get this function. If you have any functional equation in your mind, please let me know. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.